Introducing the 2023 Polestar 2 Srsm, a stunning and environmentally friendly electric saloon. With 31 horsepower and a powerful 69 kWh engine, this car is sleek, efficient and perfect for the modern driver. The black exterior is sleek and stylish, while the luxurious interior features amenities like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and a 360 view camera for added security. Safety features like collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags ensure peace of mind on the road. Plus, with an anti-corrosion warranty and energy recuperation technology, you'll be set for the long haul. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information or call us today to schedule a test drive.